Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and this is the last video for the text function, and we are going to understand few very basics and very easy text functions. The first function that we are going to understand is a repeat. So equal to type repeat, you need to give a text which you want to repeat. So as a text, again those things apply. You may give something by yourself, you may type something by yourself, but that has to be in quotation. Second thing, cell reference, and the third thing is you may give function also. So the text, I have selected this text, and number of time I am going to repeat this is 3. So it has been repeated 3 times. So this is the repeat function. Another function is length. Very simple but very useful function. I have typed length and I need to select text, means let's say if I made the selection of this cell, it will tell me how many number of characters are there in this cell. 53 means it will count space also. Space is a special character, so definitely it will count this. So the number of character in this particular cell is 53. That is what length function do. Another function is exact function. Exact function check whether text 1 and text 2 is similar or not. If it's similar, it will give an output which is true, or else it will give an output which is false. So as the text 1 I have selected this cell, or the text 2 I have selected this cell. Both are similar because both are blank, it will give me true. But however, in one of the cell I have typed 43, so it's giving false, but again I am typing 43 in the second cell, it's giving true. So this is the exact function. There's another function which is search. Look, search function is equal to find function. There is no difference. You may see the parameters are same. So just have it in your mind. If someone has asked you whether you know search function or not, you will say yes, I know, because this is going to be the exactly same function which is find. Okay, so we are done with the text functions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.